Hey guys, right, I've got a beautiful Corbin from PickME1977. There we are, pinned by PickME. Beautiful action, very smooth, like it was a stock lock, lovely. It's a 5-pinner, there's the bitting. Yeah, 5 pins there. Yeah, what lovely, pretty, very pretty lock. So thanks PickME, beauty. I did pick this earlier on. I got interrupted halfway through the gutting, so well, I didn't just dump the key pins actually, so I haven't looked in the top, but I had dumped the key pins. But I put it back together because they were stood here chatting to me for about 10 or 15 seconds without knowing. Then my mum came in and I'm staying at their place at the moment. And she dropped a bucket of mop and bucket all over the floor, so I abandoned it. Right, black gem. Okay, 1 is springy. The little clip on 2. Little clip on 3 and a slight turn. Everything else is springy. Coming back forward, 1 is still springy. Okay, a little bit on 2, slight turn. A little bit on 3. Okay, false set there on 5. That was actually, I thought it was 4. It was 5. Here's 4. And a little bit on 5 afterwards. 1 is still springing. 2 seems okay. That was 5, then 2. Okay, a little bit on 1. Finally into play. Nice false set on 5. Might just overset 3. No, I've got it back. Okay, great stuff. I think that's as far as it turns till you get it out, and then you can turn it a little bit more. Sweet, that's a great pick. That is. It's you got a lot of feedback. It really tells you what's going on. Yeah, really nice lock that PickME. Okay. Yes. I had follower issues. But I did get this one to work. I need a better follow than this. Oh, it worked a lot better this time around. Right. Let's see what we have got. Number 1 is a standard. 2 is a serrated. Sorry, I've taken that out of shot. 3 is a spoolie serrated. Number 4 is a serrated. And number 5 is a serrated. I do have another lock in my pinning tray at the moment, so apologies on that. Just set them a little bit better. Let's have a look up top, see what we got up here. Okay, in number 1 we have the asymmetric spool. Number 2 came out that way. Is it's like a barrel pin or a little mini asa pin type thing. Okay, we've got another asymmetric spool. And another asymmetric spool. That would account for all the counter rotation. Okay. And then in number 5 we have a serrated. My shear line is along the top. I know I'm cockeyed to everyone else. And I will address that because I'm going to get a new pinion tray. But at the moment I'm going to stick with the way it is. I'll just tell you each time. There's nothing up in the Bible there. It's just having a little look. I'm not going to dump the springs out. I don't think there's any need to. I'll just put that back down there for a minute and show you the plug. So we have got threading in 2 and 5. Very nice lock, very nice indeed. And let me just show you this. Okay. So down the bottom we have a standard triple serrated. This is like a spool T-pin or reverse T-pin type thing. Then we have a serrated and another serrated. Very nice pins. Then we have an asymmetric spool and sort of a little barrel asa type thing. Shear line on the top, remember. Then 2 asymmetric spools and then another one of these sort of barrel serrated jobs at the end.